garden ecosystem, the soil ecosystem being part of the garden ecosystem, one of the thirds. So it's a very important part of the garden ecosystem. Taking care of the soil, helping to support the ecosystem within the soil and keep it in good condition and free draining with the type of soil that your plants will need to thrive. This will prevent a lot of health issues going forward. Understanding the type of soil that you've got in your garden and growing the plants that suit that soil can prevent you from needing to provide them with a lot of care, reducing a lot of work and cost as well, replacing plants. Your plants won't be struggling to survive, won't be struggling to find the nutrients they need, and they'll be living in an environment that will actually suit them and will allow them to thrive. So by understanding the type of soil that you've got, supporting the ecosystem within the soil, and even if you need to alter it because it's not quite the best soil for the plants that are growing in your garden, even if you want to alter it later and then make it suit a wider range of plants, not reducing what you can grow and everything. So if you've got a veg patch or anything like that, changing the soil up to try and help it to meet more requirements, even if you need to do that, starting off by understanding what you're working with will provide you with some very important, very valuable information to work with, so you can understand what plants will thrive in what you've got, and how you need to condition it up to provide better soil for more plants to thrive in. Taking care of the soil in your garden and the ecosystem will provide long-term care and support for your garden.